What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to repair a cracked or broken backboard on your basketball hoop. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so first step is we're going to go ahead and unbolt it. And we're going to disconnect the backboard from the pole. Okay, so we've got the backboard off. Now I've got some of this premium construction adhesive, and I'm just going to go on the spots that are cracked and put some of this just to, strengthen it. And I went ahead and fashioned a piece of wood. I cut it to fit where the main crack is right here, and I'm going to put it in there. Clamp that piece of wood down good and tight. Now I'm just gluing down a few little scrap boards around the rim of it to support the little cracked areas. Alright, so I got the backboard on the piece of wood. I'm going to be using plywood. Go ahead and get yourself some 1/2 inch, 3/4 or full inch, but a 1/2 inch or above will work. And we're just going to trace around it. And I'm going to trace it just the same size, if not a little bigger, like, 1/4 inch, maybe 1/8 inch, so I can seal it up around the edges. Alright, so we got the wood all cut out. Now we're gonna glue and clamp it to our backboard. If yours is really damaged, like a hole or something, you're gonna need to glue it to the face of the backboard. Since mine is just cracked a little, I'm gonna be gluing it to the back of the backboard. Alright, make sure you use quite a bit of glue. I'm just gonna put some glue on these high spots, and then I'm gonna glue all the way around the rim, because I made it just a little bigger, so I'll be able to glue that rim all the way around it. That'll keep the bugs and stuff out from the back. I actually had a wasp nest in the back of this thing. It was bad. Now you're just going to want to gather as many clamps as you have, and we're going to go around and clamp all the edges so the glue will stick really well and dry nice and strong. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue all the way around and seal that gap. You can just spread this glue with your fingers the easiest way. Go ahead and don't caulk the very bottom so that if water ever gets in between, it can drain through. You're going to want this construction adhesive to set up for, I would just leave it overnight. Now you're going to want to go ahead and give your plywood a nice coat of some exterior latex paint. That'll really protect it and make it last a long time. So I ended up repainting the face of the backboard. Now I'm going to put a nice new square on it. Now, if you have any mounting holes, you're going to need to drill through the wood. There we go. Alright, now time to hang it up. Tighten it all down good and tight. There we go. Yeah. Alright guys, and that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and click the bell so you can get all the notifications and subscribe to my new videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Nope. Here it is. They're gonna be analyzing the shadows or something. There it is. Oh.